Still loading.
It's visible now? Can you hear me?
Visible.
Yeah, so, can you see the slide?
Yes.
Okay. So, human body composition, the last topic we are discussing. Right? And I wish all of you have written the composition of a human body.
It's not visible yet.
Sorry?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you have written. I wish you have written the amount of different elements you have written. Okay. So the next is human body anatomy. This is the diagram in which you can see the different anatomical level of the human body. Like it starts from brain to lymph node, lungs, spleen, bone marrow, stomach, veins, pancreas, urinary bladder, it's pharynx, larynx, heart, arteries, muscles, liver, gallbladder, kidney, skeleton, and intestine. So these are the main major part of the human body, internal part of the human body, which helps the body to perform different functions and regulates the various activities of our body system. The first system of human body is a respiratory system. In respiratory system, there are few parts which are involved, like nasal cavity, nostrils, oral cavity, larynx, pharynx, trachea, right main bronchus, right lungs, left main bronchus, left lung, and diaphragm. These are the major parts which involve in the functioning of respiratory system of human body. The function. What are the functions of the respiratory system? So you can write it down. The main functions of respiratory system. The primary function of respiratory system is the gas extends within the body from the environment, in which nose plays an important role in the respiration, but the olfactory nerves and their associated structures are also involved in sensing smell. The cells of respiratory tract also protect the body from invasion of pathogen through the nasal passage. The cells of respiratory tract can help in removing clots from pulmonary blood vessels. Epithelial cell of the lungs also produce surfactant that makes the process of inhalation and exhalation easier. So these are the functions of respiratory system in which the inhalation and exhalation took place. Inhalation means the body receives the required amount of oxygen from the environment, and exhalation means breathe out the carbon dioxide from our body into the environment. Respiration also helps in the cardiac movement and the cardiac muscles movement in the body. And the proper respiration also helps in any blood clotting in the pulmonary blood vessels. You can write it down. The functions of respiratory system. Is that clear? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, we have been writing.
Okay, you are writing. Okay, let's complete one and then let me know. You completed?
Oh no.
Is it done?
Yes. Done.
The next system, the second system is a digestive system and excretory system. This is the diagram of the digestive system or excretory system, and the functions of digestive systems are the organs of digestive system works together so that the complex biomolecules in a food are broken into their simple monomers and absorbed by the body. The main functions of digestive system is to work together to get involved in the process of digestion and broke down the food item which we took on daily basis in our diet. The number of secretions and activities of variety of enzymes starting from mouth till intestine are involved in this process. The digestion process is involved with the secretion of number of enzymes, and that enzymes starts secretions from our mouth. From mouth is saliva. The main enzymes of the digestion, which helps in the digestion, is saliva, which produces in our mouth, and that mix with the food item and is further goes in the process of digestion till the foods are not digested. So, due to the presence of saliva and the pH of the saliva can mouth vary temporarily based on the food being ingested. It depends on what kind of food we are taking on daily basis, and the amount of the saliva, the measurement scale of the enzymes of pH. So, how much the pH of that enzyme occurs in our body and which get involved in the digestion process. The regulation of digestive secretions can be divided into three phases: the cephalic, gastric, and intestinal phase. The various enzymes which produce during the digestion of the food items, it's divided into three phases. Cephalic, which it produces in our mouth, the enzymes which produces in our mouth, and the gastric phase is the enzymes which produces in gastrointestinal phase, and the intestinal enzymes which produces in intestine. These three kind of enzymes mix with that food items and get involved in the process of digestion which took place in our body and which helps to get the essential nutrients out from that food item and separate the waste material, and which excrete throughout our body in the excretory process. I'm clear? Writing this?
Yes, you are writing.
Okay. So these are the main functions of a digestive system.
Excuse sir.
लैपटॉप नहीं है सारा बंद कर कोई भी कॉल करे लैपटॉप लैपटॉप नहीं है मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता
Is it done?
No. We are done.
Okay. The next system is the circulatory system. In the diagram, you can see the various labeled diagrams which show the different arteries and a vein present in our body, which took place in the process of the circulation of the blood inside our body. And that this you can see in a just like a vein. It's external and internal calcoid artery. Then very next to that carotid artery, it's common carotid artery. Then it's brachiocephalic artery, subclavian arteries, pulmonary arteries, heart, axillary arteries, abdominal aorta, branchial artery, renal artery, a common iliac artery, a radial artery, urinal artery, iliac artery, deep femoral artery, popliteal artery, peroneal arteries, posterior labial arteries, interior tibial arteries, and same almost same in the this side. This side are the arteries showing in the level diagram, and this side the vein. The different veins which are present in our body, like jugular vein, subclavian vein, axillary vein, vena cava, pulmonary vein, cephalic vein, basic vein, brachial vein, median cubical vein, renal vein, common iliac vein, femoral vein, popliteal vein, and peroneal vein, great straightness vein. So these are the vein and arteries which are present in our body from vein to our toes or feet, and these involved in the circulation of the body. The main functions of the circulatory system is circulate blood around the body via arteries, veins, oxygen and nutrients, organs and cells carrying out their waste products away. The main functions of the circulatory system is to circulate purified blood around the body via heart, arteries and veins, in which they delivers oxygen and the various essential nutrients to the different body organs, cells, and carry out their waste products. The waste products from our body. The body needs a circulatory system that allows every cell, whether present on surface of organism or embedded deep within, to derive substances, be protected from pathogen, to communicate with other cells, and to exist in relatively constant microenvironment. So the second major functions of the circulatory system is to provide the essential nutrients for the proper functioning of the organs and cells of the body, and protect that cells and organs from the pathogen from the environment, to protect our body healthy and maintain the healthy nature of our body. Moves materials between body system, including oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products, including heart arteries and veins. The arteries are mainly functioning to carry the purified blood to the different body system and body parts. Is that clear? You have any doubt or any questions regarding this?
Excuse us.
Once you complete writing and then let me know. So shall we move to the next slide?
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Completed?
so what is the meaning of intricate?
Sorry?
The meaning of intricate. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is it? What does it mean? Intricate.
Intricate.
Yes. So,
Yeah, I'm telling you, just wait. Intricate is a word which it's like having a lot of small parts or details that aren't in a complicated way.
okay.
Did you got my point? And you can also say that or use the intricate word to describe something that has many small parts or details. Like the many small parts and the many details of the something, you can use the word intricate. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Anything
Yes,
else?
Anna Maria. I was just feeling it.
Then the next system is renal system or urinary system. A renal system and urinary system, in which just you can see this is the whole urinary system of a human body, in which second one, this one is kidney, and third one this one is renal pelvis. Fourth is a ureter. This is the ureter, this yellowish line. And fifth one is a urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. Sixth one, the last part is urethra. This is the frontal view of a urethra, from where the excretion took place. And the seventh one is adrenal gland. This small part is adrenal gland. And this red mark is renal arteries. And just below that, the bluish line is this red one is arteries, and this blue one is a renal vein. The ninth one, this one is inferior vena cava. This one is inferior vena cava. And this red one is abdominal aorta. Abdominal aorta. Okay, this one. And this red one is a common iliac artery, and the blue one is a vein. And this is the liver. This part is liver. Okay, this part is also liver. And this part is large intestine. And this is the pelvis region. So these are the parts which mainly took place in the urinary system. Is the diagram is clear to you?
Sorry, sir.
Is the level diagram is clear to you all?
Yes.
the definition of a urinary system is, which is also known as the renal system, and consists of the kidneys, ureter, bladder, and urethra. Each kidney consists of millions of functional units that is called nephron. The kidney is mainly consists of millions of units which is called nephron. And the purpose of renal system is to eliminate waste from the body, regulate blood volume, blood pressure, control level of electrolytes and metabolites, and regulate blood pH. So you can write down the definition of a urinary system. The pH is potential of hydrogen. pH is potential of hydrogen. pH stands for potential of hydrogen. Have you completed writing? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, so let's start. We are discussing about the definition of urinary system, and which consists of pair of kidneys, ureters, bladder, urethra. Each kidney consists of million of functional units which is called nephrons. The kidney is consist of million of functional units which is called nephrons. And the main purpose of a renal system is to eliminate waste from the body and regulate the blood volume and blood pressure, the level of electrolytes and metabolites, and also regulate the blood pH. And the full form of pH is percentage of hydrogen. Percentage of hydrogen is the full form of pH. Are you writing this definition?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know when it's complete.
Sir,
Yes?
I want to know the difference between the urethra and the uterus. Urethra.
The difference is
Yes. Or their function.
is the diagram is visible to you all?
Yes.
In this diagram, just you can see this part is urethra. Urethra is this part which is the main route of excretion. It's the waste product of like stool and the urine which passes out from the body to outside is the urethra.
What? Excuse me, sir?
Yes.
Waste products pass through the urethra.
Sorry? Waste product?
We pass through the urethra.
Ureter runs from the kidney to the bladder, while just you can see ureter. Which one is ureter? This is ureter. This yellow line is ureter. Okay. This ureter
It
is
transports.
with the kidney and runs from the kidney to the bladder, which it's combined with the urinary bladder, and urethra runs from the bladder to exit the body. Okay. Urethra which runs through attached with the kidney, and it's run from the kidney to the bladder, urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. Just wait. Now this diagram is clear. This yellow line is a ureter, okay, and this runs from, this is the kidney, and this yellow line is generated from kidney and with attached to the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder, okay, this is the urinary bladder, and this end part, like this part, this is the urethra, which runs from the urinary bladder to exit. Exit in sense, this is the exit of the waste product of our body, like stool and urine. Okay, did you get it?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it completed? Have you done the writing of the definition?
Excuse us, sir.
Yes.
What did you say?
Did you complete the writing of the definition of urinary system?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so shall we move to the next slide?
Yes.
And the functions of a urinary system. The removal of waste products from the body, mainly urea and uric acid, regulation of electrolytes balance, example sodium, potassium and calcium, regulation of acid-base homeostasis, controlling blood volume and maintaining blood pressure. Done?
No.
Okay. Let me know once it's complete.
Let me know. Yes.
Okay, done? Then the next system is endocrine system. The next system is endocrine system. You can see in the diagram endocrine system of human body in a male and female combined of consists of pituitary glands, pineal glands, thyroid glands. This one is thyroid. This is the adrenal gland. This small part is the pancreas. And in female, this is the ovary. And in male, this is the testes. These are the parts which involves in the functioning of endocrine system. And the definition of endocrine system is the endocrine system is the collection of glands of an organism that secretes hormones directly into the circulatory system to be carried towards distant target of the organ. The various hormone secretions and the enzyme secretions inside the human body in the different organs took place due to the proper functioning of endocrine system. And that secreted hormones are carried directly to the particular organ with the help of circulatory system. So it's very important that each and every system of the body is directly dependent with the other system to proper functioning. And this endocrine and circulatory system is the major system of the body which circulates the blood volume of the body, maintain the pH of the body, and secretes the hormone, which is very essential for proper functioning of the various functions of the different organs. Have you done it?
Yes.
Okay. Then comes to the functions of endocrine system. The endocrine system consists of a number of tissues that sends out the chemical message called hormones to the rest of the body. Each of these messages has its own unique purpose to which the body other systems respond accordingly. The main functions of endocrine system is to carry out the hormones to the different system, to the different organs of the rest of the body, and this is also, in other words, you can say this is also a chemical message to the other body organs which receives by them and perform their functions according to the message of the hormones. The endocrine system allows the body to respond to environmental changes and to the types of survival changes and such as need to reproduce. Because of the proper functioning of the endocrine system, our body is able to respond or maintain according to the environmental changes. Suppose there are various environmental changes took place regularly, so our body adjusts ourselves with the environment, the natural environment. This is due to because the proper functioning of the endocrine system. Danny? Have you completed writing?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And so there are various other system of our body, like nervous, musculoskeletal, reproductive. These are the few more system of our human body structure. Till now, you have any confusion, any doubt? Till endocrine system?
Sorry, sir.
Till endocrine system, do you have any questions? Just I'm revising from the first one. Like it's a human body in its composition, the different human body. Then the human body composition. Then the human body anatomy.
We will have class after.
The respiratory system and its function. Digestive and excretory
Please provide us
system
with the
and
speakers
its
or
function. The circulatory system. Functions of a circulatory system, urinary system,
Yes.
and endocrine system. These are the systems and the which we have discussed today. If you have any doubts, please, then you can ask me. Okay. The rest system we will discuss on the next class, because this is the very important chapter which whatever we are going through, each and every topic is very important. You have to be well known of each and every system, each and every body part, and so we need to work out hard on this chapter especially. Because you are able to know the whole human body structure, system, and what are its functions, which helps you out when you start working in a healthcare sector.
If you posted our pictures on your Facebook. If you posted pictures on your Facebook.
If you post pictures of your face.
No, I just, that's why I was thinking, I want to see that.
Okay, so I don't have any doubt in this until this topic, endocrine system. Once you tell me what are the body composition? What are the body composition?
Body composition.
Are we going to mention the element and the symbol?
What are the human body composition?
Element.
Yeah, that element. Elements and its percentage.
Hydrogen.
Yes.
Then the percentage. Oxygen.
Okay.
O. 65%.
O, how much it percentage?
65.0%.
Oxygen is 65%. Then carbon, the percentage is
18.5.
here. Then its symbol is
C.
okay. Next,
Hydrogen.
yes.
H. 9.5.
Okay.
Nitrogen. N. Nitrogen symbol N.
Yes.
Percentage 3.2.
Okay.
Calcium.
Calcium. Then calcium.
Yes.
How much percentage?
Symbol Ca.
Yes.
1.5.
Then next,
Phosphorus.
phosphorus. Yes.
P. And percentage 1.0%.
Okay.
The next one. Potassium. Potassium.
Yes, potassium.
Symbol K.
Yes.
0.4%.
Yeah.
The next one is sulfur.
Sulfur.
Symbol is S.
Yes.
0.3.
Okay.
The next chloride.
Sodium.
Sodium.
Symbol is Na.
Na.
Symbol number is Na,
Yes.
percentage is 0.2%.
Okay.
Chlorine. Chlorine.
Yes.
Chlorine. Cl.
Yes, chlorine CN
0.2.
0.2%.
0.2 percentage.
Yes. Then
Magnesium,
magnesium
Mg,
Mg.
magnesium, Mg,
Yes.
0.1%.
Yes.
And then
The rest.
Other elements
the
are
rest like
less than 1%.
iodine,
Yes, like iodine, boron, cobalt, copper, fluorine, manganese, molybdenum, silicon, tin, vanadium, zinc, these elements which is present in less than 1%, 1.0%.
less than.
Yeah, less than. Okay, any other topic you want to discuss?
Excuse us. Sir,
Yes.
the human anatomy, anatomy or the,
Sorry, I'm not getting you.
okay, the functions of the respiratory system, there's a word, all factory nerve.
Olfactory nerve.
Yes, what is the, where are they situated in the body?
Olfactory nerve is the first
Yes,
cranial nerve and conveys spatial sensory information related to smell. The smell which we are getting from the various sources, like the smells we are getting from the food, from the environment, from the various products nearer to us, is sensible because of the olfactory nerve. This nerve is helps to smell, sensing a smell in our body. So we can recognize what kind of smell is that. Okay.
sir, is it possible for your olfactory nerves to get damaged and then you won't be able to smell again?
Sorry, I'm not getting olfactory nerves.
Possible that they could get damaged maybe and then a person again.
The voice is breaking.
Sir, can you hear me?
Hello?
Sir,
Yes?
okay. When a person cannot smell, like distinguish different smells, does this mean the person's olfactory nerves are damaged?
If
Can they
olfactory
get
nerves
damaged?
are damaged in any person or any human body, then that person is not able to sense any type of smell or any kind of smell.
Okay, sir. Thank you. How do you say thank you in language?
Okay, so we end the class for today, and we will discuss the rest of human body system in next class. And whatever we taught today, just go home and go through each and every topic. I'm not
Yes, sir.